This is not a surprise at all. In fact, back on the 26th of July, Yves Bott, that's a French judge who also happens to be the Advocate General of the European Court of Justice, gave a legal opinion to the European Court of Justice calling for the case to be dismissed. He said back then that it did not go against the EU treaties because they were dealing with an emergency crisis situation. He said that the measures, this EU temporary relocation scheme that was established back in 2015, he said that it was a proportionate means of helping out countries like Greece and Italy, who are at the front line with thousands of asylum seekers arriving on their shores. Now, the decision, as you can imagine, is being welcomed here in Brussels by all those dealing with the migration dossier, but it's not likely to go down well over in Hungary or Slovakia, who've been against this scheme since September 2015, since it was signed off in, with Viktor Orban even calling a referendum back in October 2016, asking his fellow citizens whether they thought it was legal or not to go ahead with such a scheme. Also, his neighbouring countries like Poland and Czech Republic are against the scheme as well. They believe that welcoming foreigners from countries in North Africa and the Middle East could prove a security threat to their countries, and also believe it would act like a pull factor. That's why we've seen both Poland and Hungary relocate not one single refugee since September 2015, and countries like Slovakia and Czech Republic relocate about a dozen each.